Hello guys, it's your boy Oloshola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with Clickbank affiliate network without having a website. I'm going to show you how you can use Medium as a source of traffic to make money with your Clickbank affiliate product. Okay, all you have to do is just come to Clickbank, choose a product you want to sell, choose a product you want to market, then use Medium as a source of traffic to market that product. And once people start buying the product on Medium via the Medium platform, you're going to be making money on your Clickbank account on a monthly basis. If you can be consistent with what I'm about to show you in this video, you can be making as much as $5,000 every month inside your Clickbank account, and you don't have to pay for any traffic. Every traffic you're going to be getting for your Clickbank affiliate links is going to be for free, coming from the Medium platform. All right, so if this is something that interests you, if this is the kind of money you would like to make, if you want to make this kind of money on a recurring basis, stick around, watch this video to the end, and let me show you exactly how you can do this. And once again, if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like this video, drop a comment below, ask me anything about this video, and finally subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so before we get started, let me quickly show you the whole idea behind the method we're going to be using to make money on Clickbank using the Medium platform. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick a product inside your Clickbank account, and once you've chosen the product, you want to write a review for the product, then publish this review on Medium. And once this review starts showing up on Google search engine and people start clicking on the review, you're going to be making money from every sale you are driving from that review. So this is basically how you're going to be doing this, and you don't have to pay for traffic before you start making money from your Clickbank affiliate links. All right, so let's take for example, this is a product we are promoting, diabetes freedom, and let's assume I'm a customer and I want to read a review for this product before I actually buy the product. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the review of the product, and from the result that comes up on Google, I'm going to read one. Then if I'm okay with the review, I can decide to buy the product. Okay, so let's assume this is a review I'm reading and I click this link, okay, which is the affiliate link for the website owner. So now this is the sales page for the product, and if I eventually buy this product on this page, on this sales page, after clicking the link on this website, the owner of this website is going to make money from their Clickbank account. So this is basically how it works. You want to look for a product, write a review for that product, publish it on Medium, and once the review starts showing up on Google search engine, you're going to be making money from every link clicks and every sales you are getting on that product. So this is basically how it works. And the reason we're going to be using Medium is that Medium, it's a very authoritative website generating lots and lots of traffic on a monthly basis. Now let me show you how much traffic Medium is generating on a monthly basis. As you can see, now they are generating over 250 million traffic on a monthly basis. So we are going to be keying into this traffic. We're going to be leveraging on this traffic as a source of traffic for our Clickbank affiliate links. Okay, so the more link clicks we are getting for our links, for our affiliate links on Clickbank, and the more sales we are generating, the more money we're going to be making from this. All right, so right now I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. So the first thing we want to do is to choose a product. All right, enter the name of the product here if you have any product in mind, and search for the product. But if you don't have any product in mind, just click on this search button here, leaving the space empty, and it's going to bring out the top selling product on Clickbank. Now what you should know about this top selling product on Clickbank is that most of them are highly competitive, because we have lots and lots of affiliate promoting this product already. So in your own case, what you want to do is you want to go for a less competitive product, because the lesser competitive the product, the more money you're going to make from this product. So to check if a product is very competitive or low competitive, what you want to do is look at the gravity number. Now this is the gravity number. As you can see, now the top selling product here is having 617.83, while the second one is having 330. Okay, so you can actually look at the gravity to determine if the product is highly competitive or not. The best rule of thumb for checking products that are less competitive is to set the gravity number to 0 to 40. Okay, so products that are having 0 to 40 gravity number is actually less competitive. So these are kind of products you can actually promote with less competition and make money from this product. Okay, so now these are products you can actually choose. So as you can see now, this one is 36, this one is 31, this one is 31, this one is 37, this one is 29, we have 20, the lesser the better, we have 32. So these are products you can actually choose. Now, but for the sake of this tutorial, I have a product in mind that we are going to be promoting. Okay, so the name of the product is Product Miracle. Okay, so what you want to do is enter the name of the product here, then search for the product. All right, so Product Miracle. So this is the product we are going to be promoting. Okay, so the average conversion rate for this product is $35. So what you want to do now is you want to click on this affiliate page to get your Clickbank affiliate link for that product. So I'm going to click on this, then open on another tab, copy my link so we can start promoting the product. All right, so from here you can learn more about the product and how you can actually promote the product or what you are expected to gain from the product. So this is the sales funnel for the product. Now from the initial sale you're going to make 37, you're going to make 37, while the upsell you're going to make 17, and from the downsell you're going to make additional $7. So what you want to do now is you want to scroll down, then enter your Clickbank ID here, then click on generate affiliate links. All right, now so this is your Clickbank affiliate link for this product. Okay, this is your Clickbank affiliate link for this product. If you want to test it, just go to another browser, then paste the link there and see what comes up. All right, so as you can see now, this is the sales page for the pregnancy miracle product I want to promote. Okay, so for everybody that buys this product using this link, okay, I'm going to get a commission for the product. Now, so what you want to do now is once you've gotten your link, okay, go and paste the link somewhere, because we are still going to come back to that. Okay, so you've copied the link, paste it somewhere, because we are still going to come back to that. So the next thing you want to do now is you want to head over to Medium, okay, then create an account. I created a video already on how to create a Medium account. You can check it at the top right corner, or go to the description of the video to watch the video to set up your own Medium account. So if you have an account with Medium already, what you want to do is you want to sign in. Okay, you want to sign in. So once you are inside your Medium account, then come over here, then click on write story. So like I said, we are going to be writing a review for this product. Now we're going to be writing a review for this pregnancy miracle. And lest I forget, you won't be the one to write this review, but if you feel like writing the review, if you feel you can write the review, then good for you. You can as well write the review, but to save time and to save energy, okay, I usually outsource these reviews, these articles, to other people, let them write the review for me, and once they are done, I publish the review on my Medium account. So now this is the review. I've actually outsourced the review to someone, and the person has written the review for me. Okay, so if you want to outsource review yourself and you don't know where to go, now this is the name of the website I use. The name of the website is HireWriter. Okay, I'm going to add the link to the website at the description of the video, so you can check the website to get your own articles written for you, and they are usually cheap. So as you can see now, you can get article written for $1. You can get some even written for less than $5. So if you are using this website, you can use them to write the review for you, and once the review is ready, what you want to do now is you want to come back to your Medium account, then publish the review. So right now I'm going to publish my own review. So the name of the review is the pregnancy miracle. Okay, so next I want to copy the content, then paste there, then add my Clickbank affiliate links to it. Alright, so as you can see, I have the article already, and what I want to do now to make the article more unique, I want to add image to it. So I'm going to click on this, then click on this photo icon, which is going to redirect me to my desktop to choose the image I want to add inside the review. Okay, guys, so I've added more than 3 images to the review now. So the next thing we want to do now, which is the most important part of this of the whole work, is to add our own is to add our affiliate links. So like I said you have to go to the sales page, the affiliates area, to get your own affiliate links. So I have my own affiliate links here. So copy the affiliate links, then I'm going to add it. So as you can see, I already highlighted some of the text I'm going to add the affiliate links. So for you to add your affiliate links, highlight the text, then click on this chain icon. So once you click on this chain icon, add the link to it. Okay, so as you can see now, my affiliate links is added to the post already. So what I want to do now is scroll down, then put it here again, paste. All right, so I want to make this big. Let's make it bold so it can be attractive. All right, so finally, now before you publish this post, there's still something you need to do. So to avoid medium blocking your account, what you want to do is you want to copy a disclaimer, okay, or a disclosure, then add it to the bottom of the post. Okay, so I'm going to add this to the bottom of the post, then paste. Okay, so let's make this a disclaimer, and let me make this big. All right, so the disclaimer says, disclaimer, I only recommend product I would use myself. I would use myself, and all opinions expressed here are my own. This post may contain affiliate links that are no additional cost to you. I may earn a small commission. Okay, so if you had this disclaimer under each post you are publishing on Medium, your account won't be blocked. So to avoid story that touch the heart, always add a disclaimer under each and every article you are publishing on Medium. So to publish the article, what we're going to do now is we're going to scroll up here, then click on this publish button. So once you publish the article is going to be live. I'm not going to publish the article right now because I still have a lot of editing to do to the content before I publish it. So basically, this is how you can publish or get your content published on Medium. And once the article starts ranking on Google search engine and people start clicking on it, you're going to be making money in your Clickbank account. So this is basically how it works. So what you want to do now, you want to list out at least 10 products that you can write reviews for. Okay, so once you list out 10 products you can write review for, outsource this review to people that can get it written faster. So once they've written the product for you, once they've written the review for you, copy this review, then paste, then publish them on your Medium account. And once they start popping up on Google search engine, you're going to be making money on a monthly basis from your Clickbank account. So this is basically how you can make this work. All right, so this is everything about making money with Clickbank using the Medium platform. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, drop a comment below if you still having any question about this video, and I'm going to attend to it. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.